Today, I am not in Germany with BMW at their next gen event for the launch of the BMW iX as we had originally planned. So instead, they sent the car to me, sort of.
This is the most unique way to do a car launch. I mean, we're seeing it here before anybody else actually gets to see it, and then we're gonna 3D print it and see it in real life, but in the palm of my hands.
I went to CES with BMW this year and I had the best time ever, and we talked about how much fun we were gonna have when I would come out to Germany this year. And unfortunately, because pretty much the whole world has shut down and all of the travel restrictions, I wasn't able to make it out, but they still wanted me to feel like I was a part of the launch and to be able to bring you guys along for the ride, all puns intended. So since the car was being launched today, they wanted me to be able to see the car, feel the car, touch the car, but obviously they couldn't send the actual car here. But what they did send was a 3D printer, all of the accessories, the materials, and a 3D file to print out a tiny replica so I could actually see the thing for myself. They're calling this the tiny launch. Like a tiny launch, it's like the cutest thing I've ever heard. So what's even more fun is the fact that I got to watch this thing be printed. I've never printed anything before in my entire life by myself in 3D. So the fact that this was my first print, an unreleased, never before seen, brand new BMW iX. This vehicle design marks the beginning of an all new era for electric vehicles. So my friends, let's take to the 3D printer and print ourselves a car. And before we get into this, let me just tell you that 3D printing takes a very long time. I think this total project probably took over 2 days of just print time. We have the model in place, everything is ready to go. We're gonna do a time lapse. Are you guys ready? So right now it's sending the car to the printer. And this actual printing process took several days, from the shell to the rims to the outer tires. And this type of printing process that we did was actually a very different process than I've ever seen before. It uses liquid resin, which is then released inside of this tank, and very precise lasers will etch this resin and harden it. So it's basically being built from the bottom up. The print is finished 26 hours later. And then you take it out and then you put it in a very high concentrate of alcohol. You give it a little bath. This is so cool. I wish that I was in Germany right now for the launch, but I guess this is the next best thing. I just love that they're calling this a tiny launch. It's a tiny launch. You guys think 3D printing is easy? You think it's like an easy thing? You think it's just like, you know, you push print and then you're done? Spoiler alert, you want a high quality print, that's not the case. So now I need to clean this up, get it in the curing oven. You're wondering why it's dark? Maybe because this process has taken a very long time. I think I did it. So now, I guess we wait for this to dry. Repeat the same process for the wheels. I love my new hobby. I mean, it's almost like being in Germany. So lifelike. Can you imagine me? This is me. Okay, so my wheel fell off. I am so just impressed the fact that I did not mess up my first print, and I'm very grateful that I didn't, because we didn't have enough time to be able to print another one and get this video up for you guys. So a vehicle like this usually has a lead time of several years, but today BMW is showcasing their first model, and it's pretty cool that we're actually getting to take a look at this thing before it's even out. I am very sad though that I'm not actually there in person to get to see it, to sit in it, and to just sort of feel what it's like to actually be in this car, but I feel so grateful that I'm still able to participate in the fun by getting to print one of these for you guys to see. While this very spacious, cozy interior might look like a place that you can relax, this car can go from 0 to 100 real quick. in about 5 seconds. It has 2 electric motors that have maximum output of more than 500 horsepower. It also has DC fast charging, so you can charge the battery from 10 to 80% of its full capacity in 40 minutes. A 10-minute fast charge will add 75 miles to the car's range. I love BMW's focus on sustainability, and this car is no exception. The power used to produce the battery cells, the high voltage battery, and the entire vehicle itself comes exclusively from renewable sources. There's a high proportion of recycled and natural materials that were used for the exterior and the interior, and the leather is tanned with olive leaf extracts. I talked a lot about the sustainability that BMW has been doing in my video that I did at CES, so it's really cool to see them sort of follow through with all of that in this one as well. The new intelligence panel has integrated sensors, a camera, and radar technology for advanced driver assistance. This is bringing together the latest innovation in the fields of electric mobility, automated driving, and intelligent connectivity. 5G, my friends. The future of 5G is just going to give us so many more opportunities, and this is 5G enabled, so it will allow for optimized automated driving and parking functions. Now the doors have frameless windows, the tailgate has no separation joints, and this extends across the entire back of the car. These new design changes are allowing for increased efficiency and range with the intelligent lightweight design and aerodynamics. It's made of an aluminum space frame construction with carbon cage. Now this curved interior display, we just needed, did you see that? Let me just back that video up for you because we need to see it again. It's a fully digital screen made up of a 12.3-inch display and a 14.9-inch control display, and it's a single piece of frameless glass. And I just cannot stop looking at this image of it, and I've just been replaying this video clip over and over. I also really like these seats. These are also newly developed with this new style of head restraint. There's extra leg room and there's space for storage compartments. Plus, this center console kind of looks like a high quality piece of furniture, and this little dial, hold on, let's replay the clip. It's like a diamond doorknob. Something that I think everyone needs. Maybe not in their home, but in their car. We also need to take a moment to check out the steering wheel. It's hexagonal, which kind of gives it this really neat futuristic look. And this panoramic glass roof is also very impressive. It has the electrochromic shading, which is available as an add-on option. And this is so cool because when you press a button, it'll basically turn it into a tinted glass without having to do anything. It is magical. I am so excited for the future of electric vehicles and everything that car manufacturers are doing to keep improving on this technology. And I've been loving everything that BMW has been showcasing, and I'm even more excited to hopefully get a chance in the near future to give this a test drive. Until then, I will see you guys here on the internet. At BMW, congrats on another amazing launch, and thank you so much for including me in this. Even though I couldn't join you guys in Germany, hopefully one of these days soon, I will see you guys all again in real life. I'm trying to get you out of here, bud. Hope I can get you out by the time they launch this vehicle, because at this rate, I don't know.